In the realm of manufacturing, welding stands as a pillar of product integrity and strength. For decades, traditional methods, encompassing both manual and automated welding, have served the industry well. However, these methods have inherent limitations. Today, a new hybrid approach has emerged, seamlessly blending the best of both worlds to revolutionize welding as we know it. This groundbreaking concept, known as Cobot Welding, elevates welding to unprecedented levels of efficiency, flexibility, and safety. Cobot Welding, short for collaborative robot welding, elegantly integrates the precision and repeatability of robotics with the flexibility and intuitiveness of manual welding. Unlike traditional robots that require extensive programming and specialized knowledge, cobots are remarkably user-friendly, allowing even non-technical operators to teach the welding path directly to the robot. Smooth Tool, the Cobot welding solution designed specifically for universal robots, embodies this transformative approach. At its core lies an intuitive and user-friendly no-code software that empowers welders and operators to effortlessly create complex welding paths without the need for extensive programming knowledge. This simplicity is further enhanced by a user-friendly programming flange, which facilitates hands-on movement of the robot and point-by-point teaching of the welding trajectory. Cobot Welding with Smooth Tool is not just about automation, it's about empowerment. It empowers welders to focus on their craft, leveraging their expertise to train and guide the cobot, creating a synergistic partnership that elevates welding to new heights. Smooth Tool is a highly versatile welding software that can integrate with a wide range of welding power sources. It comes with a comprehensive list of pre-integrated power sources that offer advanced features such as the ability to dynamically adjust welding parameters throughout the welding program. Moreover, Smooth Tool's adaptability is further enhanced by the Retrofit Kit, which is a versatile hardware solution developed by Smooth Robotics. This kit enables seamless integration with almost any welding power source, expanding the software's reach and unlocking a broader spectrum of welding applications. If you're performing routine welding tasks, are you sure you can afford to continue with traditional manual methods? Embrace the future of welding with Cobot Welding and Smooth Tool. Contact Smooth Robotics today to learn more.